The 1800s were supposed to be a century of growth, invention, and the beginnings of a modern world. But behind the official story, behind the textbooks, the timelines, and the carefully polished history we were handed, something doesn't add up. Something big happened, something global. And the deeper you look, the more impossible it becomes to believe the 19th century unfolded the way we were taught. This isn't about one fire, or one flood, or one war. It's about a pattern, massive destruction, worldwide rebuilding, and entire cities that appeared to start over in the exact same decade. It raises a question almost no one dares to ask. What really happened in the 1800s, and why does it feel like someone tried to erase the evidence? To answer that, we need to go back, way back, to a century that doesn't behave like a normal century. A century where nations suffered synchronized collapse. Buildings older than the countries they stand in were suddenly rediscovered. And entire populations seemed to reset. Let's begin. Chapter 1. The Strange Silence of the Early 1800s. If you open a history book, the years from 1800 to 1830 look almost empty, quiet, uneventful, harmless. But that's not how history works. Humanity doesn't just pause. Civilizations don't collectively take a nap. Yet these decades lack photographs, lack accounts, lack documentation, and even lack cultural memories. It's as if the world was recovering from something enormous, something no one wanted to write about, something no one wanted remembered. And right after this quiet gap, what do we see? Cities erupting with massive rebuilding projects, new governments, new borders, new institutions, new architecture. Not slowly, but suddenly, as if everyone was rebuilding at the same time. Chapter 2. The Great Rebuild That Makes No Sense. Let's talk architecture. Walk through any major American city, New York, Chicago, San Francisco, Boston, Philadelphia, and you'll see buildings from the late 1800s that look too grand, too advanced, too massive for the population and economy of the time. Marble